You have an Airlessco 1250. When would a fella think about getting into that unit?
Well, if you're spraying thicker stuff like heavy elastomerics, fire stop, block filler, and dry fall, or just for pure volume, you can't go wrong with a machine like this.
Tell me a little bit about, can I run that off of a generator?
You can, but it would have to be very big. You'd need at least an 8,000 watt generator to safely run this without potentially blowing the motor.
Okay. How many feet of hose can I run on that?
You can go up to 300, but it differs depending on how heavy the paint you're spraying and how high up you're spraying. Because every 50 feet of hose you add on, the PSI at the gun drops.
Okay.
Horizontally, vertically, and with how thick your paint is.
Okay. Can I run more than one guy on that machine?
You can run two guns. My suggestion would be 100 feet on each line. Now, max tip size on this sprayer with one gun is 31. Max tip size with two guns is 23. So you could have two guys spraying elastomeric with 100 feet of hose on each gun at a time with this unit.
So anything else you'd like to tell me about this machine?
If you're going to use extension cord, please use something heavier like a 12 gauge extension cord, or again, you could risk running or blowing up a motor.
Terrific. And it looks like this is it's one of your rental units?
This is a rental unit, yes.
And you like it for rental because?
It goes and goes. It's a workhorse.
Okay.